If I point my hour hand, typically why I keep one of these old style watches. I like these old style watches. No problem. And I point the hour hand at the sun.
What's it called?
Watch.
An outer hand?
The hour hand.
Oh.
So
What's your accent, Dave?
I point the hour hand at the sun. And then from the center of the watch, if I draw a line, an imaginary line from the center of the watch and follow it up to where the horizon is, that is where south is. So who's got a...
Damn.
Can I borrow your notebook?
How do you do that with an iPhone?
Yeah, I would.
Point hour hand at the sun and draw the imaginary line.
So-
And that's south. Oh, okay.
12 at the top there. I've got 10,
Chart clock and that kind of stuff?
No, no.
11,
You get like
One.
a watch with our hand at the sun,
Two.
you draw an imaginary line, that's south. That's what I got.
Oh,
Is that
so
right?
if I point my hour hand at the sun, there's my hour hand, there's the sun there. And then I take an imaginary line halfway from the center through and bisect the distance between the 11 and the 12, because it's 11 o'clock now. That's where south is. So if that was 10, and the hour hand was pointing at the 10, I'd point the hour hand for 10 pointing at the sun, so the sun will be there. And then I bisect the line through there. So it's the half the distance between the time and the 12 o'clock in
Getting
the
some
morning.
sparks off these ones.
And then in the afternoon,
Not much, but
say it's about 2
Good
o'clock in the afternoon, I point the hour hand at the sun. Then I bisect the line halfway between the 2 and the 12. And that will point to the south.
Is it always between this number and the 12?
It's always between the numbers and the 12, yeah.
Okay.
So either 2 hours before or 2 hours after. I always say 2 hours before or 2 hours after, because if you try and work with the 9 or the 3, it becomes much harder to be accurate.
10 to 2.
Now, it's 11 o'clock now, so another way we can do it, we know the sun is south of us, so if we put up our fist just to the left, sorry, just to the right of the sun, one fist, so in 1 hour's time, it's going to be midday, and that's where the sun is going to lie, and that is due south. So put your fist up, go to the edge of that knuckle, and the distance between the sun and the edge of your fist on the right hand side that's 15 degrees of movement, and that's where south will be in 1 hour's time.
That's at noon, right?
That'll be noon, yeah.
It's moving that way, right?
So it's moving from left to right. Moving left to right. So yeah, east is over there, so it's come up over there and it's moving across the sky over there. And all of these take practice, and just constantly when you're out there, play with it and see how that works. And if you wanted to work out where the sun is going to be in 3 hours' time, well, you could fist across 3 fists. So 1, 2, 3, and 2 o'clock the sun's going to be over there. It moves through. So that helps you a little bit when you're moving through the bush. You're using the sun as an indicator for general travel. Now, for signaling, I've got